Just write the website name after related and a colon to find the similar websites of the same category. Now you can see the similar websites when I searched websites related to TechCrunch.com. The same way you can find the related of other websites. Searching within the website is pretty easy. Just write your phrase and write site colon and the site name. Now you will see all the results are from the same website. Let's do another search for DroidCrunch.com with the phrase Android. Now you will find all the searches within the website DroidCrunch. You can directly search for any file having specific keyword. Just type the keyword followed by file type colon, and its type. You can change the file type and see the results with variated file type. There are like huge fake profiles on Facebook. You can identify them using this. Just open the image you want to know about. Right-click on the image and click Search Google for image. Also, this will not work for any random pic. It may revert to by saying it's a man, girl, selfie, temple or whatever. You can also search for exact match. By just using quotation marks for your long phrases can show you better results for your phrase rather than before. Just search do a barrel roll and see the magic. Just type haiku and see what happens. Type play tic-tac-toe to play the tic-toe game. Search play solitaire and you can play that online. Type Google Mirror and hit I am feeling lucky button. Type Google underwater and hit I am feeling lucky. Type Google Gravity and click I am feeling lucky. Search Play Pac-Man to play Pac-Man game online. Search Google Guitar and click I am feeling lucky.